In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. If you want to set up an alarm clock on this OnePlus tablet, begin by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Now tap on Alarm section located on the left. And to create new alarm, use this plus icon at the bottom. Following that, adjust all of those options however you want to. Don't worry, I'm sure they will work because I tested this Clock app multiple times on this tablet before recording. Begin by setting up an hour and choosing one of those repeat options. Ring once, work. You can actually adjust each day however you want to and save your changes by tapping on OK. Or custom. If you decided to select custom, adjust the days of the week by picking the ones you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. When you're done, click on alarm name to name it however you want to, if you want to, and scroll to tap on ringtone. Now pick one of those system options. Or hit on this device and pick any song from your tablet by tapping on it and going back. Lastly, hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Or click on this switcher next to snooze to turn it off or on. Now go back and to save your new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, mine was successfully added. Now you can edit it by clicking on it, changing whatever you want to and tapping on done. You can turn it on or off thanks to this switcher next to it. Pick whatever you want to in the pop-up. And in order to delete it, just hold it and tap on delete button at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!